You want to learn English and you want to speak English, but you don't have any partner to speak with you. Don't worry, in this video 100% I guarantee you will find native speaker or any friend to talk with you in this video. Just keep watching this video. Hello friends, this is Lakan. In this video I'm going to tell you how to find a native speaker to talk with you. Definitely 100% I guarantee if you will watch this video till end, you will got so many speakers, so many native speakers, and one condition is you should need to try to each and every day. In this video I'm going to tell you about an amazing and best app for you. If you will try each and every day, definitely I will guarantee to you that you will learn, you will speak English easily, and in just if you will try to, maybe it will in just 1 month you will improve your speaking English. On my side, on my experience, in just 3 days or 4 days experience, I really got so many native speakers to talk with them. So yeah, definitely you will also. And the one condition is you should need to try to each and every day participation, and otherwise I will tell you each and everything. Don't worry about it in this video. And another condition, you should need to watch this video till end, and I will tell you each and everything, how to create ID, how to find native speakers, all of things about this app. And only one request, if you are new, so please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's get started. So now I'm going to tell you what's the name of that app in this video. Okay, first of all I'm going to tell you should need to watch this video till end, and then I'm sure you will falling in interesting this app. First of all, you should need to try to open your Play Store, and then simply you should need to search Hallo, Hallo, Hallo. Number 3, you can see here the hand, the different color hand, yellow, green, blue, red. Simply click on it and then just install this app. So after install this app, you should need to click on open. So your app is going to start open. You should need to just do allow if you want to use the location information on the device. Okay, simply allow, and then you can see here your app is logged. If you want to sign up, you can do sign up from this interface. Otherwise you can, when you will click on your this logo, you can also click on sign up here also. Okay, here's 3 options to sign up for Hallo. Number first is use phone number, and number 2 continue with your Facebook. Number 2 is continue with Gmail account or Google account. Okay, so same. I'm going to continue with my Facebook account, and then you need to simply click on continue. Your account is logged in. Okay, so here first of all option is for texting in messages, and number 2 is you can see inside your friends. Okay, first of all I'm going to tell you how to make a friend. Okay, it's very easy. You can see on top of the notification and beside search option, click on it, and here are so many options here. Here are so many students. If you want to do friendship, simply click on it beside on message logo and say hi. Okay, so like this type of conversation you can make friend. When you will able to become a friend, after then you can call as a video call, or also you can audio call. Okay, if you want to friendship with teacher, you should need to follow them. Okay, here is option follow them. So here are so many teacher. Don't worry, they are really intelligent teacher with experienced teacher. Okay, so here is so many friends I have, we are became friend already. So we are chatting to each other whenever we have free time, and also we are going to send voice message, and also we are going to call to each other. And otherwise number 2 option is here calling. I will tell you later. Number 3 option is you can see here, this is for going to watch live stream, live classes. If you want to connect with them as live, you can, when you will click on it and when you will join with them. Okay, there are so many classes each and every day is live. This section is for teachers. Number 2, this is all of students live right now. Okay, otherwise this is recent teacher videos, and here videos of the week. Okay, here are so many types of categories. Here you can see Here also you can see culture, speaking, vocabularies, grammar. Okay, so many things like this type of. If you want to go live, so simply start stream here. Okay, otherwise I'm going to tell you, you can say I said hi, she's just tick, she did light, and then we will do conversation. As some time ago I just talked with her, and like this type of so many conversation I did before. Okay, so how you will got this option? Okay, simply when you will join first time, whenever when you have a first premium option, if you want to buy, after then if you want to connect for 7 days free, whenever you try to 7-day premium, then time you will got 7 days for video calls, foreigners video calls, and go live. And there is so many options. I had already gone for video call. I will tell you. Okay, I'm going to tell you where is the my videos. I will tell you about it. First of all, I'm going to tell you when your 20 level will complete, then you will able to go live. Otherwise there's little question you have raised, that's how I'm going to live, is because of I trial for 7 days. I'm using now the premium. Okay, so now you should need to click on your logo. So here you can see, here I completed number 9 level 10%. When I will complete this 110%, when I will complete this 9 level, and then I will be able to 10%, like this type of. So here is I have 10 followers. I did 4 following, and I got high five, 15 high five. Here's some my bio, and if I want to go live, for I will do it, because here the option is open because of I'm using premium. Otherwise when you will click on more, then you need to option, and there here you can see below little bar, simple on it, click on it, edit profile. Here you can edit your profile if you want to change your name, if you want to change your username, if you want to create your bio, if you want to change your location. Okay, here so many options. Otherwise you can change your gender, your language. Okay, so like this type of option. Oh, then just simply click on save. So I'm going to want you this one. Hello friends, how are you? Prepare our exams, our whatever we are doing.
Ruchi. Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. Okay. So what are you doing here? What's your profession?
Okay, I'm a student.
I think I'm going to tell you, know anyone yearly. Yes, okay. It's a really. So you can see like this type of I have gone some days ago. I had participated as a video call, as a live few days ago. So when time I got 80 views and just 1 hour 15 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, on August 23. So this is really great. When you will go to when you will go live, when time you will got so many followers, and also so many hi-fi, and otherwise so many friends as a video call. So many friends will request to you add us. Here's option. I'm going to tell you where is option. Here you can
hello friends,
follow and comment, and you can see her hand, and then beside when you will connect, here is option will be to connect any people to add participate. So many people there. I send you as a add him with, simply you need to approve, and then you will connect to each other. Okay, and now number last option is this one. How to connect those people like a audio call, this foreigners. So many people are foreigners. Simply click on Insta. Here you can see so many people from India, from other countries. Yeah, simply click on accept, and whenever you are matching to each other, when your friend will matched with you, when you will connect with each other, like so many countries here, so many friends. Simply you need to click on accept, then automatically you will be connected.
Finally, hey man, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you, brother?
Now I can hear you. In the beginning,
Okay,
in
I'm
the beginning
sorry.
I couldn't hear you.
Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe it was maybe a network connection problem. Maybe.
Yeah, of course, it's network problem, man.
Okay, so how are you,
So,
brother?
yeah, I'm very good, man. What about you?
I'm also fine. Thanks a lot for asking. First of all, please tell me where I'm from.
Yeah, my country is Libya.
Oh, Libya, really? It was really good. It is good because I heard so many time. So you can see after this end call, you can see here option. How do you like Hello? You can submit 5-star or skip it. Don't worry, you can. Okay, so like this type of conversation, you can do conversation. I just end this call 1 minute ago, and you can see this conversation I did conversation with from Libya country. So here are so many countries because I already talked with Brazil, America, England, New Zealand, so many people on this app. You can, whenever your level will coming to unlock, and then you will able to do so many levels. And yeah, obviously it's really good for us, for improve our English. As you can see here, become fluent in English faster on this app. Okay, otherwise this last option is today's on setting. Here's so many options. Number first is notification. If you want to on your notification, live classes, one-on-one chat, group chats, following, level up, Hello coins, send me push notification, like this type of notification. If you want to turn on, so you can turn on. If you want to turn off, so you can turn off. Actually, here usually turn off, usually turn on right now. So number second option is language. If you want to select any language here, so you can select, otherwise I selected as English. And number 3 option is dark mode and light mode. It's very simple. And number second, Insta match ringtone. If you want to on, turn off, you can. Okay, then block all incoming calls. When you will block all incoming calls, when time you will unable to receive incoming calls. Number second, and number here support. When you will click here, here's one page about this app. You must read this page. Okay, and number second, here report back. You can select if you want to report. So you can, first of all, you should select category, okay, about, and then you can just do report. Okay, and here blocked user. If you want to block user, when you will did block user, so here your all block member will showing here. And number category account, here 2 option. Number 1 option is delete your account. Number second is log out your account. So I'm sure you will like this video. I'm sure it will be helpful for you, 100% I guarantee, because of I'm using this app and I got so many things. I improved little bit in just last 3-4 days. I got so many foreigners friends from Brazil, like before I told you, from so many countries. I talked with them and I enjoyed lots. It was a really good meeting with them. So you can also. Okay, and take care always. I hope you will like this video. If you will like this video, so please like and do subscribe. Till then, take care, love you all, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye bye.